Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to group rows in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google Sheets. Then open your document. Then example, I group two rows, 10. Then right click on your mouse. See this view more row actions. Select the drop down menu and now we can see this. It is up to row 2 and group row 2 10. Click here. And now we can see this group row and see this minus icon, click minus icon, hide and plus icon show. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.